YouTube channel uniquestudy.com, and today we are discussing about a topic, subject verb agreement. Okay, it is a very important topic in the English grammar, and we have to know about how can we use the verb according to the subject and which kind of the subject we have to use with the verb. Okay, in the previous video you have to know about that with the subject, if the subject is similar, okay, then you can use the plural number verb, and if the subject is plural then you have to use the plural number verb. So first you will see here is the definition of subject. The subject of the sentence is the part which denotes the person or the things we are talking about. It is only a part. Subject is a part of the sentence that denotes the person or things we are talking about. Clear? And what is the definition of the verb? Verbs are the action words in a sentence that describe what the subject is doing. So you will see in both definition, both are connected to each other. Okay, both are. In this sentence, here is the denotes the person or the things that are talking about. Okay, and here the describe what the subject is doing. Okay, so both are the definition that the showing the connection of the subject and verb. Okay, and we can say it is the subject and verb agreement. Subject and verb agreement. And in the subject and verb agreement, you know very well about the subject. Okay, subject has many parts, and you can say there is a two main parts that make the subject, for noun and pronoun. Okay, with both parts we have to make subject. It's easy to make the subject by help of the noun and pronoun, and rest of the word, many of the word like articles, determiners, adjective phrase, verb, etc. The many words that we can use it and make the subject. But one thing is the important, that is the noun and pronoun. Clear? So noun and verb. Okay, verb is an action word. Verb is an action word in a sentence that describes what the subject is doing. Here is the subject. I gave example. Example is the baby cries. The baby cries. Here is the subject and this is the verb. This part is the subject and this part is the verb. And in this sentence you can see here the subject is doing something. What he or she doing? She doing cries. So cries is a action word that done by the verb. Okay, and you can see also here is the singular number subject, then you can use the plural number verb, and it is very important to you. With a singular number subject you can add the singular number verb. Okay, and if the subject is plural number then you can use the plural number verb. I gave you another example. So you can see here, if the subject is plural number, for example, the children, not the children play in the field. So in this example you can see here the children is a plural number. Children is plural number. With the plural number the verb will be plural number, and here the subject is singular number, then verb will be singular number. It is the matter. But many of the points, many of the places you have to confuse to how can you use with the conjunction. okay, used with the other words like a neither nor, either or, etc. are the many word used with the subject. Then how can you use the subject? So today we have to going to learn about such type of the rules in this videos. Okay, so let's start and know more thing about this. Okay, the verb the verb in a sentence always agrees with the subject. Okay, in the number and person. If the subject is singular, the verb is singular. If the subject is plural, then verb will be plural. Everyone know very well. Okay, and now sometimes it is difficult to tell whether the subject is singular or plural. Okay, and I will give you some of the hint that will help you find out the subject is singular or plural. Clear? Rule number first: two or more singular subject connected by and usually take a verb in the plural. I gave you example like a Ramesh and Rohan. You have to see here is the two person. Okay, Ramesh and Rohan. And now you can use here are going to school. If there are used two person, both are the singular number and it is connected with the and conjunction, then its verb always be in plural form. It is a simple rule. Okay, but many of the places, if the two similar nouns refer to the same person or things, the verb must be similar. Okay, for example, my friend and neighbor. Okay, my friend, and you can see here is the my friend is a person. Okay, and I also write here neighbor. Okay, are here, not are. It will be is. Okay, why? Because here is a my friend, there is the person my friend and neighbor, both are the same person. Both are the same person, not two other person. Neighbor is a my friend. Neighbor is a my friend. So you can add only singular number verb. Do not use plural number verb. It is the rule of the subject and verb agreement. Clear? Now next, if the subject together expresses one idea, the verb may be in a singular number. For example, I get the long and the short matter is that she has decided to return. Okay, and another slow and steady wins the race. Slow and study wins the race. You can see here the slow and study use two words, and that appears like a plural number. It is two words, but both are express a single idea. Okay, it is the express the single idea. So we always use with such type of the subject, you always use the singular number verb. Okay, here's the slow and study, so you can use the singular number verb. That's clear. Now next example of the subject and verb agreement is two singular subject two singular subject connected with are, neither nor, either or, take a verb in the singular. Okay, take a verb in a singular. For example is neither Rafi nor I was prepared. Neither Rafi nor I was prepared. Okay, so in this sentence you have to see that there are two subject used here. One is the Rafi and second is I. Clear? But you have to see here neither nor word used with both subject, and that make the separation. Okay, that make the separation of both subject, and we have to use only one subject. Rafi, or it is no one, Rafi nor I. Okay, so you always use singular number verb. It's clear? Singular number verb with the such type of the condition. Subject is the two subject, both are the singular. Here the Rafi and I both are the singular. Then you always use the singular number verb. But many of the conditions when the subject joined by or nor, the different person, the verb agrees in the person with the one nearest to it. Okay. For example, either he or I am to blame. Either he or I. Okay, either he or I am to play. So you can see this, there is the two subject he and I. Okay, and it is connected with or. They always use the nearest subject. So nearest subject is the I. According to the I, you can use the verb. Okay. If in place of I, you have to find he, then you have to use here is. Clear? It is the rule of the subject and verb agreement. Okay. However, if one of the subject in the plural, the verb must be plural, and the plural subject must be placed next to the verb, like a neither Susan nor her parents were ready. Okay, like I can say example, neither Ria nor his parents. Okay, here is the Riya singular number. Okay, and here is the his parents plural number. So you can use according to this. Okay, and you have to use verb ready. Use plural number verb. Clear? You have to use only plural number verb if the nearest subject is the plural form. His parents is a plural number subject, and you can see here the Dia is also used as a singular number subject, but the nearest and it's connected with the nor or, then you always use according to the nearest of the or closest subject of the verb. So here the closest subject is the his parents, then you have to use here verb. Okay, if here is the use singular number like a I or he or child, then you can use here is. Clear? It is a simple rule. Okay. Now next rules we have to see here. Next rule is when the subject differing in the number or person are both connected, okay, both connected by and, the verb must be always be in the plural. There are two subjects that was the different in a number or person, or both are connected by and then verb must be always in a plural. For example, she and I are leaving the job. She and I. Here is the she, clear, and here is the I. There are two subjects, clear. Then you use always plural number verb. Are leaving the job. Clear? Leaving the job. It's simple rule. When the subject connected with the and there are two person, therefore the subject is two person, then always use with the plural number. Clear? And many of the other rules, like a collective noun takes a singular verb when the collection is true of as a whole. A plural verb is used when the collection is true of separate. Okay, like a number of members of the team were absent. Okay. If there are given any kind of the collective noun word and some of the members or some of the parts will refer to different or refer to separation, then you can use always plural number verb. If the collective noun word is not referred or of their partition, then you always use the singular number verb. Okay. For example, the jury has agreed to our proposal. So with the jury, you can use the has. Okay. A number of the members of the jury, then you can use the plural number verb. That's clear. And some of the subject which are plural in form but singular in meaning, take a singular number verb. For example, the news. Here the news looks like it seems appears like a plural number, but we always use singular number verb. Okay, the news is true, not the news are true. News are true is wrong sentence. You always use the news is true. Gymnastics, mathematics, civics, etc. are the many words that looks like a plural but didn't use the plural number verb. Okay, we can always use singular number verb. Okay, so thank you for the watching video. We have to meet in the next video.